Hello, Taurus, and welcome to your Warrior Drum reading for April the 1st through the 10th. Your Stone People card is Bear Medicine, healing and solitude. Healing emotionally, spiritually, as well as physically. Your spirit animal is the hawk, which is all about receiving messages. And your sign and symbol is the feather, healing power and messages. So be aware, messages can come in many different forms. Okay, so we're doing the warrior drum reading. For Native Americans, the drum is not just a musical instrument. It is used to bring balance and renewal and healing. It is the heartbeat of Mother Earth and represents the spirit of the circle of life. It holds the spirit of the animal it was made from. That's why this is considered a healing drum, because it's made, a warrior drum, because it is made from elk hide. And the elk represents stamina, determination, bravery, patience, and survival. It is considered a protector of the tribes and a relative, not an animal, but a brother or sister. Okay, so let's start your reading. In the East, this is what's coming into your life. We have alabaster. Heals hurt feelings, brings mental clarity, manages anger issues, brings creativity, brightness, and positivity. It's really used in pregnancy, protecting the mother and the baby. It eases anxiety and brings forgiveness. Okay, so this is what is coming in. We have the medicine bowl and healing. And with your bear here, that's right along the same line. We have medicine mother. Honor your inner knowing, your intuition. And we have turtle spirit. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, in the South is the place of innocence and the inner child. And we have aragonite. Patience, acceptance, calming, releases anger, fear, and anxiety, promotes a deep connection with Mother Earth, and heals old wounds. Okay, the South is the place of innocence and the inner child. And we have the pipe, prayer, and inner peace. Now remember, you already have several things about healing here. Taking it slow. And this is showing you what you need to do to heal. What is going to help you the most. Prayer and inner peace. Ooh, look what we got, the drum. Dream and journey. The drum is all about timing, which is what Turtle is telling you as well. There is divine timing involved. Don't get impatient. Koala Spirit says that Spirit has a plan. In the West, we have petrified wood. Inner harmony relieves worries, helps you to be calm and composed, helps with transformation, and is very protective. The West is the place of lessons learned. Oh, look, we have the standing people, the trees, roots, and giving. That's another indication of what you need to do to heal. Spending time in prayer and inner peace meditation, as well as spending time in nature with the trees. The star ancestor says to follow the voice of your soul, not what other people want or expect from you. And look, we have another bear. So you're being really shown that there's some inner healing that needs to take place. Okay, the north is the place of wisdom and gratitude, and we have pyrite in that place. Powerful protection, intelligence, mental stability and logic, creativity, memory, practicality, optimism, seeing beyond the illusion, repairs RNA and DNA. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so north is place of wisdom and gratitude. We have the field of plenty, your ideas and needs manifested. That's awesome. We have the lady, enjoy growth and reap the rewards. And we have cow spirit, the miracles are endless. They are. They happen every day. Okay, let's see what your rune is. And, oh, you got the Berkana rune, the rune of love. And Sister Moon says, it is a time for healing. The more that you heal, the more of the good things will come into your life. Okay, now we're going to move these cards off. Okay. And show you the drum. Give you a little closer look. You can see the wood, the rawhide, the elk skin, which, as you can see, is definitely not perfect. And that's one way that you can tell if a drum is real. Okay, and then you notice these little colors on the side. A drum is also a medicine wheel, the circle of life. So we have the north represented with white, the east with red, the south with green and yellow, and the west with black. Okay, so there's our drum. Gonna play it here a little bit and tell you the elk prayer. Elk, your strength and stamina far exceed those of your predators. Your unpredictability is an asset. May I take pride in myself and all my doings with the nobility of elk. I have the strength to go the distance and the sensitivity to respond to my surroundings with love and compassion. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.